Na tayo, Denver Nuggets versus LA Clippers. Playoff, round 1. Ang lamang Denver Nuggets 3 against 2 ng LA Clippers. Isipon ako eh.
Clears it away. Jokic trying to draw the foul there against Zubac's outstretched arm, and Zubac pulled back his arm and turned it into a tough shot for Jokic.
Balbas! Tayo ni Balbas sa atin. Anim.
21 points in the first half. 17 in the quarter for Harden. Most of the quarter this series. They have a 15-point
Jokic.
quarter in game 1. It's a big second quarter here tonight. Well, it was just great to see.
Mountain.
As Westbrook's going to try to get a 3 the old-fashioned way. But for the Clippers and Harden,
Pinapinila si Westbrook.
game 1, he's only averaged 16 a game in the next 4. But then Westbrook just turns the corner, no real kick there. And he just gets all the way to the rim. Westbrook missed game 4. That was the game of the series.
LA Clippers.
Clippers were down 22, came all the way back to take the lead. And then the board Jokic had a big charge.
Ay, yun.
For Westbrook,
Okay.
that game he rolled his foot
Wala, tatlo na lang.
prior to the game in the pregame warm-ups, and then he came back with a vengeance in game 5. 21 points off the Nuggets bench in just 25 minutes. In the game
Owen.
that went foul all the way across court. Dunn.
Dunn.
By Westbrook. Dunn leads it to Lillard.
Oh!
It's a great cut.
Kuha pa rin ito kayo. Kaway o.
Nice pass from Norman Powell.
Out, Jokic! Nawakan ang kamay, kakot na yan.
Leading to
Tatlo
all the
naman.
skill at the end.
You know, people want to say he's not athletic, but people that don't understand athleticism, they only see it as running fast and jumping high. They don't understand the deceleration we saw in that play.
Watson,
From
buwan
a
bola.
very big guy, that is athleticism.
Jokic
Gas-gas na mga
picked up the 2
Jokic.
fouls in the second quarter.
Batum.
But Jokic with
Dapat si
16
Dan.
points already, 4 rebounds, he's got 4 assists, he's got a couple of steals. Turned it over.
Pangapungan ito. Ano mo?
Look, the one problem for
Hindi
Denver
ka
is
tupak.
shooting 62%,
Sabi!
and they're behind in this game.
Gumagana si Westbrook ngayon eh.
Murray. The 2 is on.
Murray. Jamal.
Gets him in the air.
Yan.
Still good. Jokic is
Oh!
there.
Lumapit oh. Ay, tanangat.
It's only the
Alay,
second
ganun lang.
offensive rebound in
Alay,
the
di
game
makasabay sumak eh.
for the
Mahaba mo ka, parang mababa
They
na.
only have
Mahaba.
4 second chance points.
Jokic with 13 in the quarter. Harden drive.
Ang pasel, wala pa rin. Oy! Takbo. Apat ulit. Magbabantayin nyo si Kawhi. Kawhi, ang papatay sa inyo. Papatay sa inyo.
Stars are here tonight. Harden, Kawhi Leonard delivering in the first half. Murray and Jokic, 2-man game. And now
Yun, Watson oh. Watson.
hits one out of the corner.
Ano lang, tangkadin niya, matangkadin si Watson.
The bench is turned a little bit.
Ayan, Kawhi na naman. Rock! Yan na. Tapos tapas ko. Diyan to. Patay na ngayon dyan. Oy! Patay! Walang paon. Paul yun na. Labak na. Oo nga, Paul yun. Paul! Gagawin mo na. Ay, puta, mag-time na. Oo, ayan na. Time na pala. Namang na isa.
Clippers have an 8-point lead. Now the Nuggets back in front.
Laka na nga. Wala. Oy, puta na ni Zubak.
Right at the end of the quarter. And that will take us to the half.
Half time.
Just
like we hoped it would be.
Hindi ka dubak.
Tamba mo lang yun.
3-2 Denver series lead. Clippers facing elimination. They take a 1-point lead into the half.
Tama yun.
Jokic goes for 20.
Pero, Paul mo, no?
For 21.
Paul.
And you're
Hindi
watching
na
the
yung
first
Paul.
round presented by Nerd Wallet.
Okay, Paul din doon si ano.
Westbrook.
Tinawakan eh.
Ah.
Pinanungura namin kaya saglit doon eh.
Ano dumataan ba? Kung panonood mo pa, baka magkalawang yung loob. Magkalawang yung loob nun, hindi na mag-cooperate.
Eh, yung malit niya, ayaw gumana ito.
Ano?
Yung malit ni Day.
Ayaw na? Mamaya tingnan natin.
Eh, ano nga, kaso mainit.
Kailangan. Mainit, oo. Mamaya,
Maaga, bukas.
yan na natin. Mamaya pag gabi.
Cameraman kami ni Pao. Giligin, sulit na sulit.
Pero palalagyan ni Day ng aircon yan.
Meron na aircon yun dito sa kwarto.
Ay, sa kwarto?
Meron na yan. Kaso, sobrang init, kaya hindi kami natutulog.
Init yan.
Kahit may aircon.
Kasi dapat sa taas pa, dapat lagyan niya ng bubong eh. Yung taas,
Oo.
no? Yung bubong na yero. Sa pinakataas niya, sa rooftop. Playoff.
Sara, in.
Sabihin,
Howdy guys,
sabihin
welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hindi ano ngayon niya sa inyo.
May ito! May ito yun, no? May ito! Ito yung panalo. Ano yan?
Basag ang mukha.
Grabe, brutal to din natin.
Arignano,
May ito, hindi ngayon yan. Light flyweight to. Mako.
Matapos nga po, ang 5 sunod-sunod na brutal knockout wins ng binansaga, merciless na mga taga-Cagayan de Oro na si Marco Gian Rementido ay nabigyan po ito ng pagkakataon na lumaban sa isang rising superstar at isang WBC champion ng Thailand na si Danai ni Pacquiao alias Laserman na may records noon na 17 wins with 12 knockouts at 2 talo lamang. Lakas loob nga pong dumayong kababayan natin Pinoy sa bansang Thailand upang agawin ang titulo
Thailand, no?
WBC Asian
Eh, maganda.
Lightweight
World
title
Boxing Council.
mula sa Thai champion.
Asian.
Kahit pa nga marami na nga pong sabi, kaya gawin lamang hapunan ng Thai
Malaki pera dyan.
kababayan po natin Pinoy. Di naman talaga mapagkakaila mga master na talagang napakadelikado nga po ng Thai boxer na ito. Kaya po ito binasag ng laser man. Dahil nga po sa bilis
Nakadilaw yata.
samahan mo pa ng napakabigat na kamao. Na talaga naman pag tinamaan ka ng solido, eh maaari ka pong di na magising sa lakas ng suntok nito.
Oh, tangin ng bangungot. Kaliwa, oh. Sumakto lang. Kanan, kaliwa.
Pero, nagkamali nga po ng minaliit ang mga Thailander.
Nalaban
Sa dami
na.
nga po ng mamaliitin. Bakit isang Pinoy pa nakatikim po ng laban sa Pinoy? Ang Thai champion na hindi nito malilimutan sa kanyang buong boxing career. Kaya naman mga master, sabay-sabay po nating panoorin ang matinding laban na ito na bumalot ng loob sa buong Thailand.
ให้แฟนบอลจดจำแล้วก็ซัพพอร์ตเป็นกำลังใจให้เขาก้าวสู่แต่ว่าตอนนี้ต้องดูว่าผ่าน